Why, hello, friends and fellow nature lovers. Don't mind that loud ass motorcycle in the background. This is Errrjay, and we're back with another episode of Nature with Errrjay. And today we're going to hang out down by the river. The late great Chris Farley once said, don't do what I did or you'll end up living in a van down by the river. Well, I don't want to live in a van down by the river. I just want to hang out down by the river, So that's what we're doing. We're going to go to a nice little spot. Look around at all the brush, nice little trail here. Look over there. Yeah. I hope everybody is enjoying their day, and I hope you enjoy this episode. This location is in the town that I live in, not too far from my home. So I figured, why not take a nice little stroll and make an episode of Nature with Errrjay. Yeah. Sorry for the sun. It's literally beating right in my face. Okay. I haven't been down to this spot in a long time. Used to come down here often. Looks like a little, almost like a marijuana plant, but it's probably not. That'd be awesome if it was. I just found somebody's stash. Walk over this way. A smidgeroo. People hang out here, so you'll notice there's probably some camping stuff or some equipment set up. Nobody seems to be here right now. Whew. And we've made it, folks. Give me one moment so I could set up my tripod, and we'll be right back. Yeah, look at that. All right, and we're back, everybody. Just hanging out by the river. What a spectacular view. I hope you guys enjoy it. I got this new tripod so I could even do this. Whoa. Full 360 movement, man. Yeah. In all honesty, there's really not too much more to see than this, so I'm just going to leave the camera on here. and I'll just move it around every now and then. This tripod's pretty sweet. I'm happy I got it. Thank you, Amazon. But fuck you, Jeff Bezos, you billionaire douche. But that Amazon Prime, that's what's up. I wanted to set the camera right there in front of the bench, but the trees were in the way of the water, so I decided to put it right here. Just listen to the sounds of the river. Let the noise soothe your soul. Pack a bowl, spark it up, listen to the water. Yeah. Like I said, there's really not too much to see, not too much excitement, if you will. It's just a nice, relaxing spot, you know? Not too far from home. It's only a, few minutes walk to get here. Hang out every now and then. Reflect, think about things. Smoke some weed. As the great poet Nate Dogg once said, hey, 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 smoke weed every day. So you can see behind me, whoosh, whoosh goes the water, whoosh. Like I said, not a whole lot to see here. Just a nice spot. walk down a little closer. That way, could maybe see more of the river. Yes, yes, yes. Very nice, very nice. If you enjoy these episodes, let me know. Leave a comment. If you live in the Northeast Pennsylvania area and you see this, let me know of any good spots to put on Nature with Errrjay. Yes, yes. Be awesome if a cool bird came into the shot or something, you know? Just hung out on one of those rocks right there. That'd be sweet. Even a squirrel, chipmunk. This is such a serene place, and this is one of the dirtiest rivers in the country, probably. At least in the state of Pennsylvania. I won't go swimming in there. No thank you. People fish here and they just throw them back. I wouldn't eat it either. But nonetheless, it's very nice. Very nice. I thought there'd be a lot more mosquitoes, so that's cool that there's not. I'm not getting eaten alive. Mosquitoes love me. They love me. I got that good blood. Well, I guess that'll wrap up this episode of Nature with Errrjay. Thanks for joining me, folks. Click like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, leave a comment below. And until next time, folks, stay safe, enjoy yourselves, get some fresh air, and enjoy the world. Peace.